Hi guys, my name is Carrie Curry and I'm going to be your instructor today. And so I want to do a quick little introduction of who I am and why I want to teach this class to you guys. So first off, I've been teaching elementary school since 2003 and I've taught in California, Mexico, and Russia. Both really amazing experiences we can talk about later if you wish. But we're going to start our story with me coming home from Russia. And the reason why I really want to teach financial education is because when I got home from teaching in Russia, I kind of looked around and said, what am I doing? I'm 35. I don't have any retirement because living in Russia and Mexico, the private schools there did not provide retirement programs. And so I had nothing. And I'm like, ooh, that's really, really bad. How am I going to make it to retirement and actually retire when I turn 65 if I can't get my act together now and figure out how to do it? So I started really analyzing, what do I need to do to get there? And then I started thinking, I don't remember this being taught in school. And if it was, I don't remember anything at all. I remember one comment one day was, the biggest advice I can give to you, Carrie, at 18 years old is start your retirement early. However, as a college kid, I'm like, I can barely go through college right now. How am I going to do that? So I really was thinking, what are we going to do to teach kids basic steps on how to gain financial freedom? And so simply just the studying and everything that I've done the last 5 years has led me to these classes. And so the first class that's going to be taught this year, and it's going to be a class that goes from now until the end of the year, end of December, and it's going to be on pursuing excellence. And the theme came from several things, but the one thing that I really saw that sparked my interest was the movie Three Idiots. It's a Hindi film. Highly recommend it. And in the film, this guy talks about the main character. He's talking to his friends about learning and all that, because it's a movie about these three friends who are going through college, and he is the biggest goofball, but he loves learning and he makes learning so much fun. He's just having one big game at it, and he is just thoroughly enjoying the whole process of learning. And 20, 30 years later, his friends are like, where did this guy go? He was so amazing. He's just completely disappeared. So the journey is them finding this friend. And when they find him, he starts talking about his life, and he says, don't pursue success. The mistake that people make is they're trying to pursue being successful. While that is nice and we all want to be successful, that's not the point of life. That's not how you're going to get to be successful. To get to be successful, you have to push the success aside and look at, how can I provide excellence? How can I be excellent? And he said, pursue excellence, and success will be chasing you down the street to get what you have. So when you focus on just being excellent at what you do, success is going to follow you. So that is the entire basis of all of the classes to come. And in the next video, I'll introduce the class and some of the other classes that will follow after that. So go ahead and hop on over to the next video. And my excellent students, I'll see you there. Thanks.